Hey guys, me Tesla Blaine, I'm back again, and today I have something that's, I don't know, gonna add, like, I think they say anywhere from about 22 to 26% of more power to my Tesla. No, just joking. Anyways, guys, I got a 2026 Tesla Model Y, the Juniper, and today from TESLAB, I have these really cool plate covers here for my accelerator, my brake pedal. Hey, they got different colors. They got red and black and silver, I think. I wanted blue, but they don't have blue. But anyways, I'm going to go out there and install these and just take a look at them. But they're really just a hard rubber and I think aluminum. So anyways, just get out there and go install these things, take a look at them. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is come in here and take off this original one here off of my car. Take that one off. You can see that right there. Take this one and simply put it right over top. There we go. Got that one installed. All I had to do is sit there and just keep prying back on all four sides here on the new one, and I got it in there. Not too bad. Now this one, there's nothing to take off on the accelerator. You just gotta get both these sides on and across the bottom. There we go. Got it installed. All right, let's take a look at it. All right, sitting on there pretty good. I like them. Don't feel like they're gonna go anywhere. Got the original one right there. Looks pretty good. Well, there you got it. Once again, these are from TESLAB. All right, if you're interested in these, down in the description will be the link straight to them. Make sure you use my discount code, save yourself some money. Took me less than 5 minutes to install. You just got to be able to wrap around the rubber pieces on there, and that's it, guys. So once again, give me a like in this video, subscribe to my channel for more, and guys, be safe out there, have fun, and keep driving. Peace.